Hey, Joe here from Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at y'all tonight with a very special treat. All right, y'all know I do all kind of beef and stuff like that here. So tonight I want to try some grass-fed and grass-finished beef. Never tried that before. Most of the beef you get is grain-fed or grain-finished. They're fattening the cows up. I'm not saying anything was wrong with that, because there's a lot of great beef out there and they give some good flavor. But a healthier option, from what I've researched, is this grass-fed, grass-finished beef. And it just so happens, just 35 miles in Purchasing, Mississippi from the Gulf Coast is STONNINGTON Farms, and that's exactly what they specialize in. I heard about them from my friend Clay Edwards. He's on the radio. He's got a talk show, everything like that. WYAB, if you can tune in. But anyway, one of his sponsors is the STONNINGTON Farms. It's a 430-acre ranch where they feed the cows free-range graze. They're grass-fed and grass-finished. That means they're not just sent to a feedlot and you can have processing like that. It's supposed to be a lot better for you. So I heard Clay talking about it. He's been a buddy of mine for years, from back when I first got into the car business. And he was saying that he was doing the beef diet, or the meat, the keto, or what not have you. And he got into eating some of their beef, and it was really good. So I told him, I don't know if they deliver. I'll put a link to the website, but they have to where they sell it like at the Long Beach farmers market down there on the coast where my family's from, and all that kind of stuff. And then a lot of times people meet them somewhere and bring a big load back, and that's kind of what we got into. I placed my order with Clay. This is not a sponsored video. They did not send me any free beef, although I'll take as much as they want to give me. But no, let me show you what we've got here. All right. Now, in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to compare the STONNINGTON Farm grass-fed, grass-finished beef to the beef from my local grocer. All right, and these are porterhouses. This one came from Sullivan's, right by my house. It's just a regular porterhouse that they have. They have the big, huge, thick ones. I just wanted to get something just kind of on the regular scale. And then I have my STONNINGTON Farm grass-fed, grass-finished. What I did is I just seasoned these with kosher salt and pepper. They're going to go on the Lone Star Grill and do an indirect cook, or a reverse sear on these guys. I didn't want to put any other kind of seasoning on there because I didn't want to mask the flavor. Also, with the STONNINGTON Farm, I did a little bit of dry brining, so to speak. I put in there last night with the salt and pepper, and just because I want to concentrate the flavor. I want to see if there's any kind of different flavors, nuances here in this STONNINGTON Farm grass-fed, grass-finished beef. So without further ado, let these sit out for a few minutes. We'll get the Lone Star Grill's pellet smoker ready, and we'll put them on the grill, y'all. Y'all, so I got the Lone Star Grill set about 355 on the controller, and I've got the diffuser plate slid over so we can do an indirect cook. Now I've got my stainless steel grill grates in there from stainlesssteelgrillgrate.com. Put a link in that description box. But anyway, we're going to cook these two porterhouses on there. I'm going to show you. Don't worry about those other little pieces of meat in there. I just, when I fire the grill up, I want to fire the grill up. You know what I mean? So let's go over here and we'll throw these on here, do some indirect cooking. All right. Well, first off, my STONNINGTON grass-fed, grass-finished, going over here, and then my store-bought one right there. All right. And we'll let those go for about, we'll check them about 7 minutes. Sounds good to me. Charles, it's been about 7 minutes. I'm gonna give them a quick flip. Okay. And we'll go from there. We're about to sear and baste these steaks. I'm just going to baste them with a little bit of butter as I sear them right here. Let that one go. That's the grass bed. It's cooked a little bit slower. It's a little bit thicker, you know. So let it sear for a minute before I go to the regular one. This should take me so much time. So let that go with the butter and sear the rest of it off. There we go. That good sear. Alright. He's pretty about good on that one. Ooh, that sauce gonna be good, y'all. I'm gonna take them off here now and we'll go inside and give them a try. Alright, y'all, here we go. They are done. We've got the grass-fed, grass-finished Stonington Farms, and we've got the regular store-bought here. Now, let's taste. Go ahead and cut some off the bone here. Like that. Okay. That's a little piece of the store-bought. And this is, we're trying the New York strip side. Okay. Compare those. First off. Okay. Get that off the bone there. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. Now, I'm gonna try the first one, the New York strip store-bought. Okay. Go ahead. I take my normal steaks I cook. Not a whole lot of seasoning. Now let's try the Stonington Farms. Very nice. It's hard to describe, but I want to say it's a leaner taste, if that makes any sense to you. You know, the store-bought has more of that buttery flavor. And of course, they both are basted with butter, but fattier. And Stonington Farms, the grass-fed, grass-finished, it's just a little bit, I won't say a cleaner taste. I'm not gonna say it's a whole lot better, but it's lighter. I mean, it's a good flavor. Yeah, I like that. Now, let's try the filet sides. All right. A little bit off the store-bought. Butter tender, delicious. Now the Stonington Farms. Cut it off here real quick. Look at that. Very good. I like that flavor. So anyway, health benefits you got of the grass-fed, grass finish, and a little bit more, let's say a little bit cleaner flavor, I guess you could say. Depends on what you like, but definitely good stuff. Absolutely. Y'all check them out, Stonington Farms. I'll put a link in the description box. Thank y'all so much. God bless. And y'all please like my videos, subscribe to the channel. Y'all take it easy. We'll be back here with more.